Google, Facebook, Microsoft, Stanford, or Harvard. Top companies and colleges are offering free courses. Launch and you can learn the most job ready skills for completely free. Hi everyone, I am Lakshya and let's have a look at the 17 of the most important free courses that you should take from these companies and colleges that will get you ready for a job, to start freelancing, or to start your own business. Let's get started with this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. First, Generative AI Learning Path. Google offers a Generative AI Learning Path with 9 courses. You can learn everything about how Generative AI works, including how apps like ChatGPT and other Generative AI apps like Midjourney and Bing operate, and how to build your own LLM, large language model apps. Here is what's included. Introduction to Generative AI, Introduction to Large Language Models, Responsible AI, Generative AI Fundamentals, Applying AI Principles with the Google Cloud. Second, Digital Marketing Fundamentals. Learn the basics of digital marketing. This course covers taking a business online, making it easy for people to find the business on the web, reaching customers locally on social media or through mobile, reaching more customers with advertising. Third, UX Designer Professional Certificate. Become a UX designer with this course on Coursera. You will learn developing personas and user stories, creating wireframes and prototypes, testing designs and building a professional portfolio. Fourth, Startup School India. For startup enthusiasts, this course teaches you how to start a startup from scratch, get funding and build a business. Learn about building a great product, product design, tech strategy, marketing, success and leadership in a business. Fifth, Introduction to AR and AR Code. Learn about the augmented reality and how to build the AR apps. This course covers basics of AR functionality using AR code, building AR apps from scratch. Sixth, Product Design, Udacity. This course on product design covers ideation and validation, UX and UI, design sprints, and key metrics to measure. Seventh, Data Structures and Algorithms with Python. Learn top data structures and algorithms with Python. This course includes list-based collection, searching and sorting, maps and hashing, trees and graphs, technical interviewing. 8. Developing Android apps with Kotlin. Learn how to build Android apps with Kotlin, covering layouts and app navigation, fragment life cycle, app architecture, UI layer and recycler view. 9. Google Analytics. Master Google Analytics with this course. Learn basics of the Google Analytics, how to manage and grow the websites. 10. Machine Learning Crash Course. A crash course on machine learning with the TensorFlow. You will learn creating a machine learning model, reducing loss, handling datasets, regularization and classification, neural networks. Now, the Facebook courses. 11. Front-end Development Professional Certificate. Learn front-end development with HTML, CSS, Git and GitHub version control, React.js and advanced concept, plus UX and UI principles. 12. Backend Development Professional Certificate. Learn backend development including version control, Python programming, Django web framework, building APIs, and creating a full stack application. 13. Social Media Marketing Certificate. Learn how to manage social media accounts, create ads, and optimize campaigns with a free certificate. 14. AI Development with MetaSpark. Learn about the MetaSpark for AI development, including using JavaScript for AI, Unity and C basics, building AI apps with Unity, using Euphoria SDK. 15. Android development with Kotlin. Learn Android development with Kotlin, covering UI UX design, Android Studio, advanced programming concepts, React and React Native, capstone project to build an app for scratch. Why Combinator courses? Sustained. Startup School. Learn from the creators of a multi-billion-dollar companies. Topics include building an MVP, startup funding, launching a company, user acquisition and growth, leading a team, applying to Y Combinator. CS50 Introduction to Computer Science, an introductory course on computer science by David J. Malin. Learn how websites are created, building applications, fundamentals of programming, and now the bonus comes. Stand for the courses. Machine Learning by Andrew Ng, a comprehensive course on machine learning covering basics of machine learning models, building and training models, and a practical application of ML. And that's for today. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel, and if you wanna check how you can also build your own advanced voice assistant that can perform several tasks with LLM model, you can check out my this video. And if you wanna check out its demo, then you can check out my this video. Thanks.